Hi, I'm Brad. At this point, you're probably sitting down with one of our solar representatives. In this short clip, we're going to explain to you why your home might be a good candidate for our clean, sustainable, and inexpensive power. Currently, the energy you use is harmful for the environment, and rates are increasing every year. Even traditional solar methods haven't made sense for most people. You may have even looked into solar yourself and found that it's not worth the investment. That's because, in the past, going solar has been a complicated and expensive process. While we do use solar, we are not a solar company. We are a power company and are only interested in selling the power that the system generates. The way we do this is by using what's called a power purchase agreement. Here's how it works. We agree to pay for the design, installation, and maintenance of your system. This will cost you nothing. Once you qualify, the only thing you pay for is clean, renewable energy at a fraction of the cost you're currently paying. Here's how you qualify. First, we contact your power company to make sure you're using enough energy. We will then have our trained technician come and survey your roof to see if it's compatible for solar. Then we will design a customized plan and present it to you. If we can't cut your rates significantly, we won't move forward. Once you decide everything makes sense, we will take it from there. After we install the system, we will connect it to what's called a net meter. This allows you to buy the solar energy from us and sell whatever energy you don't use back to the power company at market rates, eliminating your current bill. Once installed, we will continue to monitor and service the panels for a minimum of 20 years. The bottom line is this: you can either pay more for dirty power, or you can pay less for clean, safe, and renewable energy. Make a difference. Save money. Switch to Pacific Power.